Hey Nikki, may I come in?
Hey Tom, please come in, have a seat.
What were you doing, Nikki?
Tom, I was creating a story by using Scratch program.
Can we create our own story?
Yes Tom, you can create your own story by using Scratch program.
Oh, that sounds good. Please show me.
Yes Tom, let's have a look.
Hey Saj, I'm not feeling good.
Catty, I think you are suffering from fever. I am taking you to the doctor. Hey Mankey, she is not feeling good. Please check.
Oh, what happened? I'm not feeling well since morning. Oh, let me check. Oh, you are suffering from fever. Please take medicine. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Mackie.
So Tom, did you like it?
Yes, it's so interesting.
So do you want to create your own story?
Yes, Nikki, I want to create. But please tell me how.
Tom, for creating a story in Scratch, you need to learn how to write a script.
Oh, please tell me, Nikki.
Tom, at first we will learn about block palette.
So children, for writing scripts, we will first learn about block palette. Blocks are used to program the sprite by developing script for it. Here are different kinds of blocks. They are color coded. The first one is motion block, which is used to move the sprite, change angle, change x and y values. The second one is looks blocks. Looks blocks are used to control the visuals of a sprite. It can help you to change the background and costume. The third one is sound blocks. Sound blocks are helpful to add the sound effects. The next one is event blocks. It can help you to create different events for a sprite. The next one is control block. Control blocks are used to control the sprite. The next one is sensing blocks. Sensing blocks are helpful to interact with other sprites. Children, by pressing add extension button, you can use other commands too. These commands are music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, and many more. Children, you can choose these commands to add for your palette. Children, there are so many different commands in block palette. But how do you use them? At first, you have to select the commands. Then you have to drag them to the script area. But it should be in a sequence. Now, we will learn about types of blocks. Children, you will see that these blocks have different shapes and size. There are 4 main different block shapes. The first one is hat block, stack block, reporter block, and cap block. Hat block. These blocks are the blocks that are designed to start a script. They usually have a hat-like top and a notch at the bottom. Other blocks can be placed below it, but not on the top. The next one is stack block. They perform the main commands. They have a notch on the top and a bump on the bottom so that other blocks can be stacked above and below them. Next one is reporter block. They can hold values which can be number or a string. These blocks can fit in other blocks. Children, they have numeric and Boolean value. The main block gives decision to other block. The next one is cap block, and it is designed in such a manner that it can stop a block. They end a script. You cannot place any other block below them. Students, we have learnt about types of blocks. Now we will write a script, a small script. For that, we need to select a sprite. Then we will drag move 10 steps block to script area from motion block. You can change the number of steps. 10 number is by default. You can change the number. If you will click here, the sprite will move 10 steps ahead. Now we will use turn command. Turn right command or turn left command. Okay. If you will use turn right command, turn 15 degree. So it will fit in block. You can see. Now you can see both the commands are in sequence. Next one. From the sprite info area, you can use direction button to direct the sprite. And after that, we will use event block for using green flag. Children, I told you about green flag. Why do we use green flag? Yes, you are correct, to execute a program. So, from event block, we will use green flag. As we will click on green flag, it will execute our sprite. Children, that's all for today. Now we will learn some other blocks for writing scripts, but in next session. Thank you so much, children. See you in next session. Till that time, bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.